welcome back to this channel. Today I, Sonali, am here to showcase something really very different, that is junior cricket set of Rainicles. For the first time in my history as well, I am showcasing such type of thing. So before opening this, I would love to tell some of the things I have not seen till now what is in this. This is the same excitement that I am having and you must be having right now. And now this is not expensive and not very inexpensive. This is a medium in cost as well. And if I talk about the quality, yes, it has a lot of things with the quality. Now let's open it. Before cutting the tapes on both of the sides, I would love to request that you please follow us and subscribe us wherever you are watching us, because it takes a lot of hard work to showcase such kind of products, and we will really appreciate it. Now let's begin with the now the tapes on both of the sides have been cut. Now beginning with the very first product, you can see. So let's unbox it completely first, then we will look after everything. Here's a bag, and another this is a junior cricket kit. And as I can see the products, I believe Rakhi season is coming. You can gift this particular product as well, and this is not only useful for I believe children, but also for parents who can help their children to learn more of the cricket professionally. There are plenty of products as well. Yeah, wow, these are very little glass. You can see this is lovely. If I compare this particular product with this, you can see how much bigger it is. This is a complete bigger hand glove for the bigger hand, and these are very little ones, na? So that means so I have managed all the things on the table so that it becomes very easier, and so that I just don't forget anything to show you. This is the first product that I can see. Let's open it for you guys. These are thigh guards, and the packing is really much. And so here is it. You can see, wow, the quality is really good. Hardness I can feel, so that your baby's thighs can be really protected in a very good way. This is the same product that I can see. This part is really very hard. I feel that there is some plastic kind of thing, and here little softness is there so that it doesn't really bother your children. Fine. So this was the first product that I can see, and for children I believe this is the best thing. Now coming on to the next product, that is arm guard. So here is it. Let me open. You can see. You can see the arm guard, and you can see the towel over here, so that the sweat, if comes to your children's arms, it will definitely be soaked completely. And again, as I can feel, this is again hard, and there is something that is very stiff in this, so that ball doesn't hit the arms of your babies. So this was the second product. I'll pick it up later. These are the little gloves for the little tiny hands, and here is it. And this can be the best comparison, as I showed that to you earlier. You can see both of the things are placed in the same manner, and you can see the difference in the length. This is completely according to the children's hands, and this one is completely according to the bigger one's hands. Wow, this is really lovely. Now coming back to the next product, that is abdomen guard. This is again small in size as compared to the ones that I have seen before. Here is it, you can see abdomen guard, little one for the tiny stomachs. And now coming back to the different, okay, let's open the bag, the full cricket kit bag first. Okay, so this is a cricket kit bag. This is a complete cricket kit bag, I believe. And yes, here this is the upper part and this one is the lower part, as you can see over here. And this is completely cushioning over here, and this is also cushioned so that the little shoulders don't get harmed. And let's open it and let's check how much space is there. You can see cushioning over here. This is a bit visible. And okay, this is a cricket kit bag which has been built according to the products that they are providing. All the products can easily be placed into this, and apart from this, there are how many pockets more? There is one more pocket over here, and this part is here so that the eatables, bottles can be put in the straight form. And that's it about this bag. But the quality that I can feel is really good. And now by closing this and putting it aside, let's begin with another product of Rainicles for Junior, which was in the bag kit. So here is another product, that is a leg guard. I believe all these products have been formed in such a way so that the tiny, so that the children don't get harmed with the ball, the bat or anything else, the fast balls that come across them. And again, you can see the cushioning over here, and you can see this part is very hard. You can see I cannot press it much. I am putting pressure, but this is not getting pressed a lot. But if I talk about this is also good. And if I show you the Velcro, this is also of very good quality. You can feel that. I can actually feel that. So I found something really good. If my child goes into the same stream, I have found something really good which I can offer him for the cricket matches. Now this is the last product, that is Supra Plus is the bat's model name, and this is a Kashmir willow bat. The bat is not much heavy. This is really very light in weight, and for the children I believe this is the best product that we can offer them. And you can see, although they are children, but see there are still some grains. For practicing, I believe this is the best thing that I can offer to my child at least. And if you also want the same thing, you can order that us. This particular bat can be played with soft leather ball, and also tennis ball. There is not anything that I can offer you much. Now let's go on to the overview. We had gloves over here, abdomen guard, thigh guard, arm guard, and leg guard, a cricket bat, and a cricket kit bag, which is a complete one. Now let's coming on to the main point. As I told you, now let's come on to the main point, that is the MRP of the product. That is, here it's written, you can see 8299, and if you order that from us, we will give you the best possible discounts. and you need to order that us. Firstly, all the products are really good in quality. I am again stressing on this particular thing. All the products are really good in quality. Don't go on the MRP. We will give you the best discounts that we could, but you should, I believe, for children this is the best one. And also you can see these things, if you get to order, you will get that customized, and then that will be really very expensive for you. All these things, arm guards, small arm guards are not really available at every single shop, so you are getting everything in just one hit. I believe you should order, and hopefully you liked the video. And if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and follow us on Instagram.